What's going on, guys? Hemi Jarvis. So, I wanted to look at the top free games on Xbox One uh, for the year 2019. Um, so, this video is basically, I might title it Top Free Games on Xbox One 2019. You know, uh, anyway, I was just up, and I was about to go to sleep, but I said, you know what? Tomorrow, I don't think I have to do anything. So I didn't have any money right now. Well, I got some money, but I didn't have nothing to spend on video games. You know what I'm saying? So I was just wondering what top free games are on here. I haven't even been to the uh, Xbox game store in a minute. I haven't bought any games. I think I bought Minecraft the other day, so I can't say that. As you can see, I got it right here. But so anyway, let me just go into the store real quick and see what games they have um, in the top free section. I don't know if y'all could see me. Hold on, let me move this. Let me move this over here. All right, so let me go into the top free games real quick just to see what they got because I'm thinking I'm going to download a couple of these games for free. Um, if you're watching this video, be sure to subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna try to upload videos as much as possible. So it ain't nothing but a click of the button. You probably on your mobile phone watching this, but anyway, here are all of the free games right here. Well, top free games on the Xbox One console, and to me, it looked like they got some pretty good ones. Um, let's see. Let me move my face out the way. But it looked like they got some pretty good video games. So me, I like to filter my games out whenever I'm looking for a new game to download or something like that. Hold on one second. This mic is messing up. Hold on. Yeah, so I like to filter my games out. So what I'm gonna do, cause I know for sure everybody's playing Fortnite right now. That's like one of the top the best free games you can get for your Xbox, like Fortnite, Roblox, and what else? Apex Legends. I got a funny fact about Apex Legend. That was a game that they had released on the Xbox One and the PlayStation, and you didn't hear any advertisement about it for real until it was released. That's interesting because that's one of the top games that everybody like to play as well. So it's crazy. But we're going to scroll down. I'm gonna scroll down in the top free game section because I'm interested in downloading a few of these games, but I just want to get some more insight on the games before I actually download them. Um, like Dead or Alive, that's the game I'm looking into download. I'm basically about to pick. I'm basically about to show y'all what games I'm about to download from the top free game section. Um, but yeah, I'm just scrolling through right now to see what they got. Okay, Insects, Prominence, Valkyrie. Look like they got a lot of games here. Look like they got a lot of games in the free section. Uh, so I probably just download a few, maybe one or two for right now. And definitely I'm gonna come back and download some more. But look like they got some pretty decent games. One of the games that I am interested in getting, I may need to download Apex Legends, because I haven't played this yet, but I heard so much about it. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit the A button and download Apex
Rated
Legend.
T for teen.
So I hit the get button. I'm trying to talk a little proper here because I had got one of my teeth pulled out my mouth. So if my words are slur, you gotta bear with me. But yeah, so I'm downloading Apex Legend. What's another good one? I don't know. Maybe y'all need to tell me in the comment section what's another good game to download for the top free out of the top free games here on the Xbox One console. This look interesting. I know Resident Evil is like probably a pretty good game. Frozen, you can download that for your kids if you got kids. I'm just gonna hold this mic because it's messing up my whole operation. Hold on, y'all. This mic like literally threw my mouse all the way off the table. Hold on. Like, I hope y'all can still hear me. But yeah, anyway, I downloaded Apex Legend, and I'm just gonna download some of the top games already. When I look for games, I do look for the ratings to be high. So like Apex Legend, you can see it's 1,000 people that rated the game, and it got like 4 stars already. So if I'm gonna download a free game, I want to download one that other people have already played. That's just the way I do things. I like to play a game that people have already played and they had gave it a good rating. And I haven't played it before, so when I finally do play it, you know, it got a good rating already. This one here, as you can see, 2,000 people played it. It's called Crossout. It's a free game, and it looks, you know, it looked like the ratings is pretty high on there. So that's another one that I may want to download. But I'm just gonna download this one here, Warface, because I'm looking at it and it has 1,000. Look like it got 1,000 views, 1,000 reviews or whatever, and it got a high rating. So I'm just comparing that to Fortnite. I'm surprised that Fortnite only has 2 stars. That's interesting to me because everybody plays Fortnite. So I don't know, but I am going to download Warface for free, and Apex Legend. I'm going to download Apex Legend for free, and I don't know, maybe I'll show you I'll do a gameplay playing those videos next. Let's see, Warface. And then I'll hit get. And yeah, so I'm gonna download these 2 games, see how they are. I may do a gameplay video. If y'all want me to do a gameplay video, hit that like button. I'll put out a gameplay on Warface, so that if you guys, just in case you guys are interested in downloading it yourself, you can see me play it first, and if you like it, you can go ahead and download it for free out of the top free section on the Xbox One console. Alright, so but let me just read off a few of the games that are in here. You know, a few of the games like that I think I'm gonna download. I'm surprised they don't have anything with Final Fantasy on it. I wouldn't mind playing Final Fantasy. Huge fan of Final Fantasy. They got good graphics, you know what I mean? So, very dope game. Very dope. I might get this game right here. It's Vigor or Viger. And I already downloaded Roblox before. Hitman. 3-on-3. Yeah, not too many games that I really want to download. Defiance. I'll try that game out too. Anyway, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to download some of these games, do some video gameplay videos for y'all just in case y'all interested in downloading these games. Be sure to hit that like button. I know you're on your mobile phone or you're on your desktop computer or probably even watching this from your TV or a tablet or something. But all it takes is one click of the button. Don't be lazy. Or be lazy. It doesn't matter. The choice is yours. I'm just saying. That'll be a great way to help my channel grow. And I can give you guys more and more content about the Xbox One, my Xbox One. You know what I'm saying? I give mostly my opinions and stuff like that on my channel. So, if you're interested in seeing gameplay videos of these free games and stuff like that, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to put a link in the description below so that y'all can watch some of my other videos. So check me out. I will see you guys in the next video.